Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how to draw Gubby from Forsaken Roblox. For this drawing, I will start by drawing the shape of the face. We just need to do the legs and we'll finish the drawing. Well, we've finished drawing this character. If you want, you can also color it. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for all the support, and we'll see you in the next video. Below, I'll leave you some videos that might interest you.